if you want your neck younger, healthier, tighter, just be you, nothing crazy. You want to have and continue having and preventing having necklines. This is a quick video for you. I'm going to be using two tools. If you kind of have a couple of hundred to splurge, you can get that. Don't have code. I like it. They just said that to me, gonna be honest. Second tool is cheaper. That's what I really highly recommend, but this is microcurrent and red light therapy from My Sama. You wanna use something before microneedling. Microcurrent red light therapy has to be done before you're gonna use microneedling. So it's kind of activates a little bit, it helps lymph flow, moves the blood and oxygen circulates. So I do that probably for like a minute or two everywhere on my neck. That is a great way to actually keep your neck looking young. The key in anti-aging world, it's not fixed when the damage is already done, even though yes, you can do that, but the goal, if you're really smart, start taking care of your wrinkles before you actually have wrinkles. Postpone wrinkles. Like, we are being healthy and going to the gym because we don't want to gain fat, right? But it's easier to start maintaining to prevent anything in life than to actually fix when there's damage already done. So I did this. I don't really like any kind of like sliding, gliding movements in my skin because that eventually just moves the skin anyway, and that's not really much anti-aging. And that's basically it. I turn off, check them out. I'm gonna post all the products that I'm using today down below in the description box. And I will start, of course, with microneedling, which is so great. It's a collagen induction therapy, which naturally boosts collagen in your skin. My favorite anti-aging tool for a whole last like 15 years. How I'm starting, I'm disinfecting with the oxygen. This is oxygen foam in the liquid form. I'm taking a little bit because every piece of skin before microneedling must be disinfected as a first step. If you wanna have this done effectively, then I have a cloth that I use only for my skin. Wipe it off. Make sure you use that to disinfect your skin. If you do have alcohol, not a fan, witch hazel is better. So I'm taking Dermaroller. This is 0.25 to be used. This is basically for beginners. If you are advanced already, if you've been dermarolling your neck, you can use 0.5 once a week, maybe once every 10 days. Depends if your skin is sensitive, probably once every 10 days. And I'm starting from side as far as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm always lifting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I'm probably gonna go all around my neck for beginner, maybe just 3-4 times max. You want to roll in one direction, and when you roll in one direction after like 3-4 times, make sure your hair is tight. Kind of not really much can put those there, but try to do something. But my hair, I'm just losing a lot of hair right now postpartum. So anyway, so now I'm gonna go horizontal. I'm gonna go over one spot 5 times, one below and one lower. Now if you want chest microneedling video, I have another one. I'm gonna put somewhere here in the corner. You can go there, and then I'm gonna go 3, 4, 5 here, and then of course I can do diagonal. Now if you're gonna start feeling already kind of like tingling, burning sensation, stop. If you don't feel anything right now happening with your neck, you can go into diagonal as well. That's just me being advanced. Totally okay. If your neck gets red, it's okay. Always you wanna lift your dermaroller, lift, lift, lift. And I'm going to do the same on this part. You kind of want to avoid thyroid. It's not hurting dermaroll over it, but like I'm just health over beauty in my opinion. Just in case. A little bit of redness like that, it's okay. Now we have this part of the neck where many of us tend to have like sagginess going on. So I kind of I call it extra love. A little bit, like maybe a little bit more, 10 times, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did not show you what I did on the back actually. I can put foam a little bit here. That is oxygen, liquid oxygen, which is actually works better than alcohol. Just don't tell anybody. And I kind of wipe it here as well. It's hard to dermaroll there, so just try as much as you can. Don't overdo. So I don't know if you guys going to see, but I'll try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be enough. Now I disinfect dermaroller by adding that in the case. Few pumps. Once this is gonna go down, I'm gonna rinse with filtered water and just gonna leave on the counter to dry that out like that. I'm using after. If you don't have money, guys, totally okay, just use dermaroller. If you do have a little bit money to splurge, I'm using my favorite peptide serum. Ooh. 3 probably pumps, gently tapping into the skin over here. Helps with anti-aging. Maybe in winter skip that because it's not hydrating. You might gonna feel a little bit like tight sensation if you're in a dry climate. I will say skip probably. If you're in a humid climate, totally okay. Vitamin C, brightening, anti-aging, tightening, squalane, hydrates the skin. By the way, squalane in this cream, it's plant derived from olives, not from the animals. A lot of squalanes are actually animal derived, which I am against, and I don't like that. So I'm tapping gentle. Every product, serum, cream after microneedling should be tapped into your skin and not rubbed. Makes sense? All right, these both products are from Dermarolling Beauty, certified toxic-free, gentle ingredients that are really great to be used after microneedling. Dermaroller, and by the way, Dermaroller from Dermarolling Beauty, of course, is CE certified, the highest standards in European Union, which is, we know European Union is the strictest with everything. Then we do have toxic-free certification. We have trademark real individual needle Dermaroller. I'm 38, no Botox, no fillers, no lasers, do nothing outside of my little bathroom. I'm postpartum mama, sleepless nights, baby 4 months old. So I know I don't look that best, but I know I try my best at microneedling once a week, twice a month or so. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Latest we can have time for that. And don't forget grapefruit juice because they are anti-aging. After microneedling, you don't go to the sun, you don't go to sauna, you don't bathe for at least 12 hours. Of course, don't scrub, don't exfoliate, don't apply any like exfoliating acids. It makes sense for the next couple of days. Try to avoid sun. If you go in the sun, wear a big hat, sunglasses, maybe some scarf on the neck. I also have mineral sunscreen that it is toxic-free, certified 25, which means really great, and it's not toxic. The higher the number, the more toxins it is, and mineral is always the cleanest, the healthiest. If you care about your health, not only how you look, but highly recommend to research toxic-free certified skincare brands that actually care about your health, not only the skin. It doesn't have to be my brand, doesn't have to be Dermarolling Beauty. This channel is all about health, natural aging. We all age, we all get wrinkles, but the goal to me to help all the women around the world to actually feel the best version of themselves. We're not trying to change our skin, we're just trying to keep looking as young as we can in our power and have a positive mindset. I love you. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.